Right, back at it again then. This time, been a minute, making some rough as you like jungle on the Amiga 1200. Using the Amiga for the 8-bit drums, the Roland s330 for stabs and string samples at 12-bit, and the Akai 1100 for bass and additional sounds. First thing I had was this aiming here, running through the compressor, straight out of the Amiga 8-bit. Next, I moved on to a few sounds in the Roland s330. Check this out. Also at the s330, got these little aim and chops from the Akai. A Hoover sound from the Juno 2. Sampled this little vocal off a tape pack. Another vocal sample from the Akai, this one I love. And another string at the s330 just because the aliasing at 12-bit sounds amazing. Check this out. Crispy. Stab from the Akai. Quick bass drum off the 909. Little Cool Keith sample pitched up. Another vocal sample here. Anyhow, as always, enough chatting. Few extra little bits were added on with the synths. On the desk, the Amiga was EQ'd to give it a little bit more life. The main bulk of the song was made in Octamed 4, then stemmed out into Ableton. So just before we get into it, to let you know that I'm playing Bangface this weekend. I'll be playing 2 sets, one with Night Force on the Sunday and a main stage on the Friday. So hopefully I'll see you there. But anyway, let's get into this. More rough Amiga bangers. Oi.